a Psalm of David.
My God, why you left me so far from help? I call, but no answer show. Day and night, me I call, me I pray. Still me cry can't fade away. But Lord, you always sit up high. In a praise where reach the sky. Me trust in you through trouble and pain. Me know you hear me call again. Them ancestors trust in your name. You save them from trouble and shame. But me small like worm in the ground. Them mock and laugh try to bring me down. But Lord, you always sit up high. In a praise where reach the sky. Me trust in you through trouble and pain. Me know you hear me call again. From whom you make me trust and breathe. But now them bulls and lions round me weave. Them roar loud, them teeth so sharp. Me weak inside, me feel the dark. Me bones ache, me heart a melt. Me tongue dry, but me still felt. Lay me low, but me nah give up life. Holding on tight through the strife. Them dogs surround, teeth them bare. Strip me close, but Lord still care. Come close, Lord, don't turn away. Help me live to see the day. But Lord, you always sit up high. In a praise where reach the sky. Me trust in you through trouble and pain. Me know you hear me call again. Me shout your name before the crowd. Praise you loud and praise you proud. You hear the meek, save the poor. Your love strong evermore. All earth will bow and praise your name. Every heart will feel the same. Seed will serve and spread your way. Tell this story every day. But Lord, you always sit up high. In a praise where reach the sky. Me trust in you through trouble and pain. Me know you hear me call again.
Listen now, hear the story. Moses and the people sing glory.
I sing to the Lord, Jah Jah is high. Awesome rider, them sinking at the tide. Sing to Jah, he rule the sky. Awesome rider, them sing deep and dry.
Jah is a warrior, strong and true. Pharaoh's chariot, them never flew. Them drown in a sea water rise. Like stone, them fall, no compromise. Jah right and smash, power grand. Enemy break before his hand. Them try to chase, but Jah blow breeze. Them sink like lead beneath the sea.
Sing to the Lord, Jah Jah is high. Horse and rider, them sinking at the tide. Sing to Jah, he rule the sky. Horse and rider, them sing deep and dry.
Them boast and brag, we go take all. But Jah's bread blow, them start to fall. Them drown in a flood, no more fight. Jah lead his people through the night.
Miriam sing, timbrel in hand. Wind and dance cross the land. Sing to Jah, sing his praise. Lift him up through all our days.
proud. Nations tremble, quake loud. Philistia shake, Edom fear. Moab cry, Jaja near.
Vain and melt, them spirit low. Jah mighty arm break every foe. Terror fall like heavy rain, till Jah people pass play. Sing to the Lord, Jah is high. Horse and riding, them sinking at the tide. Sing to Jah, he rule the sky. Horse and riding, them sing deep and dry.
Creator of sky and earth, you know. Him now make me foot move. Him who keep me not go sleep or snooze. Hey, look your Lord keep his rest. Him not sleep, not slumber at all. Lord is me keeper. Lord I shed for me right hand. So me say, no, 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 no. Sun can burn me by day, moon can trouble me by night. Lord keep me from all wickedness. Him keep me soul safe and right. Hey. Lord keep me going out and coming in, from now till forevermore. Sing. Me help come from the Lord, maker of sky and earth. Lord not sleep, Lord not rest. Him a watch over me.
Psalm 130. Out of the depths me cry to the Lord.
Out of the depths have I cried unto thee, O Lord. Lord, hear me voice, let thine ears be attentive to the voice of me supplication.
If the Lord should mark iniquities, O Lord, who shall stand? But there is forgiveness with thee, so that thou may be filled, yeah.
For me so wait for the Lord. Israel from all iniquities. Hear me so wait for the Lord,
Yeah, me soul away.
more than watchmen for the
Like
morning.
watching for the
All
day.
in His word me place me home.
Truth and light me
For all
stay.
my sin He will redeem.
Yes, redeem today.
A psalm of David. When he changed his behavior before the lyrical, we drove him away and did a party. I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise shall continually be in my mouth. My soul shall glory in the Lord. The humble shall hear thereof and be glad. I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise in my mouth shall stay. I sought the Lord, He answered me, and He take all my fears away. Oh, magnify the Lord with me, and let us exalt His name together. I sought the Lord, and He answered me, and delivered me from all my fears. Oh, will bless the Lord at all times. His praise in my mouth shall stay. I sought the Lord, He answered me, and He take all my fears away. They looked unto Him and were radiant, and their faces shall never be abashed. This poor man cried, and the Lord heard, and saved him out of all his troubles. The angel of the Lord encamped round about them that fear Him, and delivered them. Oh, consider and see that the Lord is good. Happy is the man that taketh refuge in Him. I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise in my mouth shall stay. I sought the Lord, He answered me, and He take all my fears away. Oh, fear the Lord, ye His holy ones, for there is no one to them that fear Him. The young lions do lack and suffer hunger, but they that seek the Lord want not any good thing. Come, ye children, hearken unto me. I will teach you the fear of the Lord. Who is the man that desireth life? I love it is that he may see good therein. I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise in my mouth shall stay. I sought the Lord, He answered me, and He take all my fears away. Keep thy tongue from evil, and thy lips from speaking guile. Depart from evil and do good. Seek peace and pursue it. The eyes of the Lord are toward the righteous, and His ears are open unto their cry. The face of the Lord is against them that do evil, to cut off the remembrance of them from the earth. I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise in my mouth shall stay. I sought the Lord, He answered me, and He take all my fears away. They cried and the Lord heard, and delivered them out of all their troubles. The Lord is nigh unto them that are of a broken heart, and saveth such as are of a contrite spirit. Many are the ears of the righteous, but the Lord delivereth him out of them all. He keepeth all his bones, not one of them is broken. Evil shall slay the wicked, and meditate the righteous shall be held guilty. The Lord redeemeth the soul of His servants, and none of them that take refuge in Him shall be desolate. I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise in my mouth shall stay. I sought the Lord, He answered me, and He take all my fears away.
when it rise. The moon can't harm me when it shine. Me covered by love, surrounded by grace. Me walk with strength, me hold me place.
From now till forevermore, Him guard me soul, me open door. Him lead me steps, Him never fail. Me sail with faith through storm and gale.
The Lord that me keep and me shade in sun, bright and strong when the heat a burn. Me go out, me come in night or day.
The Lord protect me every way.
Me every way. Me try through valley low, but my heart still hear the call. Me no see the way clear, but the light it shine tall.
Me walk through fire, still me come out strong. Test and trial, them last long, long. Them try fi hold me with chain and lie, but me lift me eye up to the sky. The breeze did howl, the rain did beat, but Jah voice still guide me feet. Not by muscle, not by might, but spirit moving power and light. Light on the mountain, calling I own. Even when dark, I'm never alone. Mercy, lead me steady and true. I know where I'm going, I know what to do.
Me hand them scarred, but them still can't heal. Love are the weapon and truth are the seal. Cross dry desert and ocean wide, still me hold the faith inside.
No carving rock, but a living chest. The fire righteousness never rest. From Zion hill to olive tree, one root, one light, same prophecy. Light upon the mountain, calling I own. Even in shadow, me never alone. Promise to guide me, firm and strong. Walk with the righteous, me sing them
Shout out loud, the Lord all the earth. Sing with gladness, come show what he worth. Serve him with joy, come near with the cheer. Lift up your voice, the Lord is here. Come with joy, come with song. Praise the Lord all day long. His love strong, never gone. Faithful forever, him never wrong. Come with joy, come with song. Praise the Lord all day long. His love strong, never gone. Faithful forever, him never wrong. Know this truth and make it known. It's him who made us, not on our own. We are his people, sheep in his hand, walking in blessings across the land. Come with joy, come with song. Praise the Lord all day long. His love strong, never gone. Faithful forever, him never wrong. Come with joy, come with song. Praise the Lord all day long. His love strong, never gone. Faithful forever, him never wrong. Enter his gates with praise inside. Give him thanks, let glory ride. His mercy true, his love so wide. Forever and ever him guide. Come with joy, come with song. Praise the Lord all day long. His love strong, never gone. Faithful forever, him never wrong. Come with joy, come with song. Praise the Lord all day long. His love strong, never gone. Faithful forever, him never wrong.
A psalm of David, hear me now. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures, leads me by the still waters, peace I flaunt. He restoreth my soul, guides me in paths of righteousness. For his name's sake I walk with him, in Jaga's care, no fear or distress. Though I walk through the valley shadowed by death, I will fear no evil, just right here with me. His rod and his staff, they comfort my soul. Through darkest valleys I'm safe and free. He prepares a table before mine enemies, anoints my head with oil, my cup overflows. Happy is the man, oh yes he is, who walketh not in the counsel of the wicked. He don't stand in the way of the sinner. He don't sit with the seat of the scornful either. But his delight, oh, is in the law of Jah. Day and night he meditates on Torah, like a tree, yeah, by the river he stands, fruit in season and blessing in his hands. He shall be like a tree by the water, planted deep, bringing fruit like it oughta. His leaf never withers, he don't fade away. Whatever he do it, Jah bless him each day. But not so, oh no, not so the wicked man. He be like chaff, blown away by the wind. The wicked shall not rise in the judgment seat. Sinners won't stand where the righteous meet. But the Lord knoweth the way of the upright. Wickedness shall perish, vanish in the night. So delight in the Lord day and night. Walk the righteous path, live in the light. Be like a tree by the water, so free, strong in the Lord eternally. Happy is the man, oh yes he is, who walketh not in the counsel of the wicked. He don't stand in the way of the sinner. He don't sit with the seat of the scornful either. But his delight, oh, is in the law of Jah. Day and night he meditates on Torah, like a tree, yeah, by the river he stands, fruit in season and blessing in his hands. He shall be like a tree by the water, planted deep, bringing fruit like it oughta. His leaf never withers, he don't fade away. Whatever he do it, Jah bless him each day. But not so, oh no, not so the wicked man. He be like chaff, blown away by the wind. The wicked shall not rise in the judgment seat. Sinners won't stand where the righteous meet. But the Lord knoweth the way of the upright. Wickedness
wickedness shall perish, vanish in the night. So delight in the Lord day and night. Walk the righteous path, live in the light. Be like a tree by the water, so free. Strong in the Lord eternally. Happy is the man, oh yes he is, who walketh not in the counsel of the wicked. He don't stand in the way of the sinner. He don't sit with the seat of the scornful either. But his delight, oh, is in the law of Jah. Day and night he meditates on Torah. Like a tree, yeah, by the river he stands. Fruit in season and blessing in his hands. He shall be like a tree by the water, planted deep, bringing fruit like he taught her. His leaf never withers, he don't fade away. Whatever he do it, Jah bless him each day. But not so, oh no, not so the wicked man. He be like chaff, blown away by the wind. The wicked shall not rise in the judgment seat. Sinners won't stand where the righteous meet. But the Lord knoweth the way of the upright. Wickedness shall perish, vanish in the night. So delight in the Lord day and night. Walk the righteous path, live in the light. Be like a tree by the water, so free. Strong in the Lord eternally. Happy is the man, oh yes he is, who walketh not in the counsel of the wicked. He don't stand in the way of the sinner. He don't sit with the seat of the scornful either. But his delight, oh, is in the law of Jah. Day and night he meditates on Torah. Like a tree
water, his leaf never withers, he don't fade away. Whatever he do it, Jah bless him each day. But not so, oh no, not so the wicked man. He be like chaff, blown away by the wind. The wicked shall not rise in the judgment seat. Sinners won't stand where the righteous meet. But the Lord knoweth the way of the upright. Wickedness shall perish, vanish in the night. So delight in the Lord day and night. Walk the righteous path, live in the light. Be like a tree by the water, so free, strong in the Lord eternally. Salvation, oh child, yeah. The God is the snare of the falling, on good shadow, deep of faith. With even good stable body me, with even my faith, oh. Shalt not be afraid of the terror by night, nor of the arrow that flieth by day, of the pestilence that walketh in darkness, nor of the destruction that wasteth at noonday. 1,000 may fall at thy side, and 10,000 at thy right hand. It shall not come nigh thee, only with thine eyes shalt thou behold, and see the recompense of the wicked. For thou, O Lord, art my refuge. Thou hast made the Most High thy habitation. There shall no evil befall thee, neither shall any plague come nigh thy tent. For he shall give his angels charge over thee, to keep thee in all thy ways. They shall bear thee upon their hands, lest thou dash thy foot against a stone. Thou shalt tread upon the lion and asp, the young lion and the serpent shalt thou trample underfoot, because he hath set his love upon me. Therefore will I deliver him. I will set him on high, because he hath known my name. He shall call upon me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will rescue him and bring him to honor. With long life will I satisfy him and make him to behold my salvation. I know.
For the leader, a psalm of David. When Nathan the prophet came unto him, after he had gone into Bathsheba.
Have mercy upon me, O God, according to thy loving kindness, according to the multitude of thy compassions, blot out my transgression. Wash me thoroughly from mine iniquity, and cleanse me from my sin. For I know my transgressions, and my sin is ever before me. Against turn unto thee. Deliver me from blood guiltiness, O God, thou God of my salvation. So my tongue shall sing aloud of thy righteousness. O Lord, open thou my lips, and my mouth shall declare thy praise. For thou delightest not in sacrifice, else would I give it. Thou hast no pleasure in burnt offering. The sacrifices of God are a broken spirit, a broken and a contrite heart. O God, thou wilt not despise.
To the chief musician, a psalm of the sons of Korah. Take to Alam of the song. God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Therefore will we not fear, though the earth do change, and though the mountains be moved into the heart of the seas, though the waters thereof roar and foam, though the mountains shake at the swelling thereof, Selah. There is a river, the streams whereof make glad the city of God, the holiest dwelling place of the Most High. God is in the midst of her, she shall not be moved. God shall help her at the approach of morning. Nations were in tumult, kingdoms were moved. He uttered his voice, the earth melted. The Lord of hosts is with us. The God of Jacob is our high tower, Selah. Desolations in the earth, he maketh wars to cease unto the end of the earth. He breaketh the bow and cutteth the spear in sunder. He burneth the chariots in the fire. Let be and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth. The Lord of hosts is with us. The God of Jacob is our high tower, Selah.
is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? When evildoers came upon me to eat up my flesh, even mine adversaries and my foes, they stumbled and fell. Though a host should encamp against me, my heart shall not fear. Though war should rise up against me, even then will I be confident. One thing have I asked of the Lord, that will I seek after, that I may dwell in the house of the Lord all the days of my life, to behold the graciousness of the Lord, and to visit early in his temple. For he concealeth me in his pavilion in the day of evil. He hideth me in the covert of his tent. He lifteth me up upon a rock. And now shall my head be lifted up above mine enemies round about me. And I will offer in his tabernacle sacrifices with trumpet sound. I will sing, yeah, I will sing praises unto the Lord. Hear, O Lord, when I call with my voice, and be gracious unto me, and answer me in thy behalf. My heart hath said, seek ye my face. Thy face, Lord, will I see. Hide not thy face far from me, put not thy servant away in anger. Thou hast been my help, cast me not off, neither forsake me, O God of my salvation. For though my father and my mother have forsaken me, the Lord will take me up. Teach me thy way, O Lord, and lead me in an even path, because of them that lie in wait for me. Deliver me not over unto the will of mine adversaries, for false witnesses are risen up against me, and such as breathe out violence.